Hello and welcome to Shami's Kitchen with me Shumaila. Today I am making Qureshi kebab. These seekh kebabs are very famous in Delhi, very soft, delicate and it tastes amazing. Very simple to make as well. So let's see the process. In a mixer jar add 500 grams keema and 50 grams fat with 2 chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Close it and grind it nicely. Once done, transfer this in a bowl. Adding 1 grated onion, squeezed, remove all the water from the grated onion. Goes in 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon Shan seekh masala, some chopped coriander leaves, add 1 tablespoon lemon juice, add 2 tablespoon roasted gram flour. Combine all the ingredients together. Give this a very good mix. Now I am going to give a charcoal smoke for 10 minutes and marinate this for 3 hours. Now take a skewer, wet your hands in water, take small portion of the meat mince and shape it into log. Now place the skewer in the middle, press it inside, then shape it around the skewers. Make it evenly shaped and set aside. Now heat 2 to 3 tablespoon oil in a pan. Place the kebab over it and cook till golden brown on all sides. Be very gentle while rotating. Once done, transfer this in a serving plate with lemon wedges. Drizzle melted butter on top and serve hot. It's something which even I tried out for the very first time and it came out so good. So here is a homemade Qureshi kebabs which you can make indoors or outdoors using easy ingredients and cooking method. I love this recipe. It tasted like what you eat in restaurants. Do try and let us know how it turned out for you. So try this recipe and feed us with your big thumbs up below and comments below. We love to hear back from you and appreciate your success stories. You can also follow me on my Instagram page shamis.kitchen for more fabulous recipes and updates. Subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon. Stay tuned for more amazing recipes and have a nice day.